Yeah, hi, my name's Kyle from Highway 1, and this video is about how to fix your potholes. We have an excellent product here at Highway 1 called Bitumend Coldmix. It is a premium cold mix asphalt, which means that you can use it cold. It doesn't have to come out of the plant, hot mix plant, which makes it hot. And you put your hot mix onto the road or into the hole, and it sets by just cooling off and coming down to room temperature. Our product is cold, so where it pulls out of the bag, it goes off by being compacted. We have pressure sensitive polymers in our cold mix formulation, so that when you compact it, it sets it off and it goes really hard, and over a period of 30 days it's going harder and harder and harder and harder, but we maintain a really nice flexibility so that as you run over in your vehicle, it is getting pushed into the sides of your pothole. And we have found over our experience that the Bitumend Coldmix product is performing better than hot mix, and we're having a 95% success rate with our products. So it is an exceptionally good product, really easy to use. We have contractors that are using it out on the road all the time, and we have nothing but good feedback about our product. So if you've got any more questions, please check out highway1.co.nz or give us a call on 0800 175 571. Thank you very much.